Good morning. Math 8, week 5. Solving problems involving rational algebraic expression. In your class, you can read some tips how you can successfully solve problems involving rational algebraic expressions, as well as some steps that may help you solve word problems systematically. Remember, last A, analyze, B, represent, T, translate, S, solve. For number 1 example, 2 times the difference of a certain number and 5 is equal to the quotient of thrice the number and 2. So, in reading the problems, look for a clue. So, 2 times the difference, subtract a certain number, 5 equal quotient, thrice the number and 2. Okay, so translate. First, you have to represent a certain number. So let X be the number. So, translate the problem. 2 times the difference, subtract of a number, and 5. So, the number that we represent earlier, X. So, X minus 5 is equal to the quotient. This divide of thrice the number and 2. So quotient, division, thrice the number equals thrice the number. Thrice is 3. Twice is 2. 3 over 2. Then simplify. 2 times x, 2x. 2 times negative 5 is negative 10 equals, copy, 3x over 2. So, to remove 2, multiply this whole term by 2. 2 times 2, x, 4x, minus 2 times negative 10 is 20, equals 2 divided by 2, 1 times 3x equals 3x. Combine like terms, 4x, transfer, when you transfer terms to the other side, change the sign. So this positive 3 will become negative 3x. And also negative 20, when you transfer it to the right side, this will become positive 20. To continue further, 4x minus 3x is x equals 20. So this is now the number. Your answer is x equals 20, the number, missing number. To check, 2 times 20 minus 5, all you have to do is to substitute x. X is equals 20, so 20. Then, 3 times 20 over 2. Then, 40 minus 10 equals 60 over 2 is 30 equals 60 divided by 2, 30. So, the answer is correct. 30 equals 30. So, for the second example, Second example, Sam is half the age of Mary. The sum of their ages is 30. How old is Sam? What about Mary? What is 1/3 the square of the sum of their ages? So there are three problems to be solved in this example number 2. Then, first, represent, let x, the solution is let x, since the age of Mary is missing, you have to represent x be the age of Mary. Then, since Sam is half the age of Mary, so x over 2 be the age of Sam. And then, to continue, the sum of their ages is 30. So to form the equation, x, age of Mary, plus x plus over 2, the age of Sam, equals 30. Then simplify further. LCD is 2. 2 divide 1. Any number has a denominator of 1. This is constant. So 2 divide 1 is 2 times x is 2x. Plus 2 divide 2, 1 times x is x, equals 30. So to remove 2, you have to multiply the whole expressions by 2. Then 2x plus x, because 2 divide 2 is 1, then times 2x plus 1, so 2x plus x equals 2 times 30 is 60. So 2x plus x is 3x equals 60. To remove the 3, multiply both sides by 3. X equals 20. So 20 is Mary's age. Mary's age. So since Sam's age is 1/2, 20 x over 2, 20 divide 2 is 10. 10 is Sam's age. So what is 1/3? The square of the sum of their ages. So to continue, so 1/3 sum of their ages is 20 plus 10. 10. So square so 1/3 30, 10, 20 plus 10 1 times 30 is 30 divided by 3 is 10 raised to the power of 2. So 10 times 10 equals 100. So the answer is 100. To check, to check. So x plus 2 equals 30. 20 plus 20 over 2 equals 30. 20 plus 20 divide 2 is 10 equals 30. So 30 equals 30. So your answer is correct. Sums age. Okay, so kung namoy pangutana, pwede rag mag-message na ho. Let's go to example number 3. For example number 3, what is the perimeter of a square lot if the measure of one side is 2a plus 3a over a plus b? Remember the perimeter of a square. So, what is asked in this problem is the perimeter of a square. So, perimeter equals, so there are 4 sides, so 4 times s. And one side is given 4 times 2a plus 3b over a plus b. All you have to do is to multiply 4 by the numerator. So, 4 times 2a is 8a plus 4 times 3 is 12b over a plus b. So, this is your perimeter. Okay? So, let's move to example number 4. Mr. Cruz has a stack of letters to be encoded. If Luz takes 6 hours to type all the letters and Pat takes 9 hours, how long will it take them to do the job together? Okay, so analyze, then represent what is needed to represent, and then write what is given. So, what is asked here is the number of hours needed. How long, so hours, will it take them to do the job together? So, let x be the number of hours needed by Luz and Pat. So, since it is a whole job, so you have to represent the percentage of Luz can do in 1 hour. So, one job, so Luz can do it in 6 hours. So, 1/6. This is part of the stack. Luz does in 1 hour. Then 1/9, this is a part of stack. Pat does in 1 hour. In 1 hour. Then 1/x. 1/x is the part they can do together. in 1 hour. So, combining the part of loose and paths, so this 1/9, the solution, 1/6 plus 1/9 equals 1/x. Then, LCD of 6 and 9 is 18. So 18 divided 6 is 3 times 1 is 3 plus 18 divided 9 is 2 times 1 is 2 over 1x. Then, to remove 18 and x, you have to multiply all the expression by 18x. 18x. So 18x divided by 18 rather. So it is x na lang nabilin. So x times 3 is 3x plus 18x divided 18 is x times 2 is 2x. Equals 18x divided by x is 18 times 1 is 18. So 5x equals 18. To remove 5, divide 5. What is left is x equals 18 divided by 5 is 3 and 3/5. 3 and 3/5. So this is the number of hours needed by loose and path. Loose and path. 3 and 3/5 hours. So don't forget to write the unit of measure. This is hours. Hours. So to check if this answer is correct, check. So to check, 1/6 plus 1/9 equals 1 and 3/5. This is your answer, the value of x, which is x equals 3 and 3/5 hours. First, you have to convert this to improper fraction kay mixed man ni siya. So here in the left side, look for LCD is 18. Divide 6 is 3. 18 divide 9 is 2 times 1 is 2. Then 1. 3 times 5 is 15 plus 3 is 18 over 5. And then 5 over 18 equals this one. And now may 1 diha, 1. Take the reciprocal. 5 reciprocal. The reciprocal ni siya. Remember the rules. Okay, reciprocal 5 over 18. So 5 over 18, 1 times 5 equals 5 over 18. So your answer is correct. 5 over 18 equals 5 over 18. So let's move to assessment. Mr. Reyes can wash his car in 15 minutes, while his son, Juan, takes twice as long to do the same job. So if they work together, how many minutes can they do wash? Okay, so represent how many minutes. So let X be the number of minutes. Number of minutes. They can do. So just copy the number of minutes can they do wash. Okay. So this is a whole job. So percentage. Mr. Reyes can wash his car in 15 minutes. So 1/15 is the rate, no, of Mr. Reyes can wash his car. Minutes. Mr. Reyes can wash his car.